Greetings, HP1 Golf Charlie Mike with a new video. But today we're not gonna talk about radios. Today we're gonna talk about this little guy, the DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is my fourth DJI drone. I had two Sparks, one Air 2, and I swapped it because I needed to travel abroad. And bringing a smaller and lighter 250 grams drone is, the way to go. It went with me to a couple of places and I really have no complaints. Really great little drone. The specs, we can see them online, so 4K 30 DNG pictures, which gives you a little bit more flexibility when you are developing pictures. And having a little less compressed image, it's always nice. Once again, this is not a review, it's just my personal opinion. And my opinion is that anyone who's looking to buy this drone will have no problems at all. Of course, people will complain about this drone not having front-facing sensors and that it has no follow me modes. We have apps like Litchi that can be used for that. But we have to take into consideration that the drone has no front-facing sensors. And when you are doing something like that, you are really not looking at the drone, and that can, turn into problems. One thing that I don't like is that the propellers don't have quick release and you have to use a screwdriver to swap them in case you need to. It will be nice to see the Mini 3 to have quick release. I think that's the only negative I have about this drone. No quick release propellers and no front-facing sensors. The size is great, the pictures and video quality is great, at least in daylight. The memory, it's easy accessible. You can also read directly from the USB port. Here's the battery. I don't think it has too much to ask from its bigger brothers, to some extent. Like the quality of the pictures and video, but then again, this is a smaller drone, and you can compare this one to a bigger drone that has a bigger sensor. So it's not really fair to compare one to another. Another thing is the wind resistance. In fact, let me share this picture with you. This was in Penonomés Aeolic Park, and during this whole flight, I had strong wind warnings. The little guy went through, and it came back. Thanks God. Of course, there are some situations. There's a place I flew the Air 2, and while doing a quick shot, it struggled to fight through the wind. Once it got the wind in favor, you could see the difference in the drone movement. I wouldn't even try this with the Mini 2. Then again, on the Aeolic Park, it went through, but I wasn't looking at it. So it depends on the pilot, I guess. Basically, that's my opinion about this drone. Fly More combo comes with 3 batteries, obviously the controller, propellers protector, and gimbal protector. If you have any questions, just write them down. 73, this is HP1 Golf Charlie Mike.